So I'm going to be starting a new series where I build a project using AWS AppSync. So for those of you that are not familiar with this tool, it's something that Amazon created, Amazon Web Services, and it's something where it creates the entire backend for you, or at least handles it. So all you have to focus on is building the website or the app, whatever you want your front end to be. And so it'll allow you to create a GraphQL API, and then you can also use some of the other services that AWS has. For example, Elasticsearch, DynamoDB, S3, and all the other stuff that they offer. So this is going to be more of an exploration because I have not used AppSync that much, and we're going to see kind of the capabilities and how good this actually is. So we're going to be adding authentication and trying out some of the different features. Now normally I'm not a big fan of trying to get stuff to work in AWS's console and trying to get all their services working together. But there's a tool called Amplify that they've created that actually makes it quite easy to spin up different AWS stuff and get them to connect. So we're going to be giving that a try. It's called AWS Amplify, and using that to kind of spin up stuff on AWS so we don't have to deal with trying to get the console to play nice and set everything up manually. So we're going to check that out, and what we're going to be building is a real-time bidding site. I kind of just did a Google search, and this was a kind of a site that's going to be similar to what we're going to be building, where we're going to have items that we can bid on. They're going to have timers, and then we can also increase the bid and whatnot. And then my plan with that is I'm going to be using Material UI and React on the front end, and I'm going to be using TypeScript. And I'm not sure all the front end code I'm going to be putting on this GitHub repo right here, but the entire back end is going to be on AppSync. And so we're going to create like some configuration files. I'm not sure how private or how not private, or if they're public, to be able to create this stuff. So I'll most likely be putting in this repo as well, but that is the plan. We'll try AppSync out and see how good it actually is and how fast you can develop something. Because if you're not having to build a backend, that saves you half the work. So it'll be real interesting. It'll be interesting to see how easy it is to integrate with some of the other AWS services.